Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are going to learn about capillary action. When we learn about capillary action today, we're going to watch water walk from cup to cup. Capillary action is the movement of something against an opposing force, such as gravity. Gravity tends to pull things down to the center of Earth, but we're going to watch water move upwards as it is opposing gravity. To get our water to walk, we need 5 cups, clear cups halfway full with water, a clean area in case you drop any water or spill any food coloring that these paper towels can suck it up. You need red food coloring, yellow food coloring, and blue food coloring, and 4 paper towel tear-offs. Okay, next you're going to drop the red food coloring in, about 3 drops per food color in each of the cups, but you do every other cup of color. And then you take the paper towel and fold it hot dog bun style. And do this for all 4 of them. Once all the colors are mixed evenly in the water, you're going to take one of the paper towels and you're going to dip it into one cup and then link it to the next cup. Take another one and do it the same way for each cup. Now wait about 24 hours and watch the water start walking across the paper towel into these cups, and be tuned to see what happens